Welcome to another episode of What's New in Treblle 3.0. In this video, we will walk through how to control API visibility in Treblle 3.0. API visibility helps you manage who can see and access specific APIs, ensuring privacy and better collaboration. In Treblle 3.0, you can set visibility at two levels to decide who can view and interact with your APIs. Public APIs are visible to all workspace members, and private APIs are restricted to selected team members only. This is useful in cases where you want to keep the APIs for stealth projects hidden or restrict access to sensitive production APIs. To control API visibility in Treblle, go to the API settings for the API you want to manage, and under the API details, you have the option to make the API private. Once set, private APIs won't appear on the main dashboard for unauthorized users. That's how easy it is to control API visibility in Treblle 3.0. In the next video, we'll explore the API catalog and how it makes discovering and integrating APIs easier. Thank you for watching.